The envelope follower of Montage M is a very unique controller source. This example shows you how to reassign superknob control assignments to the envelope follower. Listen to this performance while moving superknob. The envelope follower needs a rhythmic source to work. Press rhythm pattern by using Shift and song pattern. Search for house techno kit and select ARP 3 for example. Go to envelope follower to activate it. Press Exit, select Part 1, press Navigation and select Controller to open the control assignment page for Part 1. Activate Auto Select and move the superknob to see the superknob's assignments. Change the source for Destination 1 to envelope follower 2. The Destination 17 has been auto-created with the activation of the envelope follower. Since we do not need it for this example, we can delete it. Turn the superknob again and change the source for Destination 4 to envelope follower 2. You can jump directly to the envelope follower section by pressing Edit Envelope Follower. Change the settings to your needs. To solo the modulation effect, go to Navigation, Part Settings, and turn off the output of Part 2.